Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Silksong controller issues for Steam. Now this is particularly important if Xbox and third-party controllers are not registering inputs or functioning properly in-game. So here are some solutions that work for some people. So open the Steam application, click on Library, click on Hollow Knight Silksong in your game library, right click on it, go to go to Properties. From here, navigate to the Controller tab. Now here, you're gonna see Override for Silksong. You can say Disable Steam Input, use default settings, and Enable Steam Input. Click on Enable Steam Input to ensure that Steam manages controller inputs for the game. Now after this, connect your Xbox or third-party controller via USB or Bluetooth. I'm sure you know how to do that. And launch the game to see if this fixes any issues. Note, you want to make sure that your controller is recognized in Windows. How do you do that? Go to Settings, Devices. You want to type in Bluetooth and other system devices, and you should be able to see the controller here, so make sure that is running. The next thing you want to try is running the game in safe mode. This seems to eliminate some conflicting issues with controllers. How do you do that? Within the Steam library, right click on this once again, click on Properties. In the General tab, you see something called Launch Options. You want to type in -safe with the space before the dash. Into the launch option mode to force the game to launch in safe mode. This bypasses a potential mod or configuration conflicts. Then you want to close the option, connect your controller, then launch the game and see if this works. The next thing you want to do is disable mods and then see if that fixes any issues. The next thing you want to do is verify the integrity of game files. Again, in Library, right click on this, go to Properties, go to Installed Files, and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files to see if that fixes the issue. The next thing you want to do is update your controller and GPU drivers. So you want to connect your controller, then go to the Devices, so click on the Windows key plus I. And this will come up and you'll see, make sure your controller appears under Devices. Then once it does, you want to then make sure it appears here. Then after that, you want to go into Device Manager. You want to find the device here. It should be under Human Interface Devices or something like that. And you can right click on this and click on Update Driver. The next thing you can do is update your GPU drivers. I will not tell you how to do that, but updating GPU drivers does seem to fix the issue. Okay, if this video helped you, leave the video a like and please subscribe. I really appreciate it.